How to fill a text box with color in Canva. First things first, open Canva and head over to the editor where all the magic happens. Look around your design canvas until you spot the text box you want to give some color love. Once you've located your text box, give it a little click. This lets Canva know that you want to do something with it. At the top of your screen, you'll see some tabs. One of them is called Effects. Click on that bad boy. Within the Effects tab, you'll see a few options. One of them is Background. Click on that next. Click on Color. A color palette will pop up, offering you a rainbow of choices. Click on the color that makes your heart sing. Now, if you're feeling fancy, you can tweak things like roundness, spread, transparency, and shape. Mess around with those sliders until your text box looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your color and any customizations, click somewhere outside the text box. This tells Canva you're done and it'll apply your changes. And there you have it. Your text box is now filled with vibrant color, ready to elevate your design. Feel free to experiment with different colors and settings to match your creative vision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Happy designing!